when I signed in with Twitch, because, you know, Mixer's dying, I had to, or it automatically reset it to just using Twitch and not the stuff I wanted it to do. Well, that's good. Hopefully now things will work and I will appreciate it a lot better. I probably should check YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's working. YouTube's up. Is Twitch up? Yeah, Twitch is up. Cool. That was annoying. But we're good now. Okay, so what am I even working on at this point? So, oh. Sorry? I'm sorry? Why is this? Why are we just getting an error? Like, I haven't done anything. Global.female hair some. They didn't change how 2D arrays work, did they? Because if they did, that's gonna be GameMaker beta 2D arrays. Like, I shouldn't need to do anything different. This is how it worked before. I don't know. Go to reddit.com/GameMaker. I don't know if they have anything about this. This is what I get for updating my IDE, I guess. So hypothetically, can I just do hair sub global.female equals an array hair sub? Oh, can I do this now? Is that what it wants? Let me see. Does this fix something? Have they made it so you finally like chain stuff together? Fail on mail. Oh, no way. No way. I am all about this. I mean, it's gonna require me to like fix stuff, like a lot, but this is okay. Go to female body. If you go to female body, no. So that's just straight up not working. But it did work when I set them like this. Like it needed to be an array. I didn't think that needed to happen. I didn't like misread it. It went to male hair, right? What's up, Emiko? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to do this grossly, I suppose. So we'll set that to that. And then hair sub global dot male. Does that work? Now do you get to female body? Yeah. Okay. They're probably in the works on that. Because obviously the chaining is working now. But it seems like we need to physically set this. Like if you don't have an array to access, it seems like it's not creating an array on the fly. Which, oh, that sucks. Oh well. Global.female sub 0. How are you doing today, Emiko? What's that? This isn't how I expected my day to start, to be honest, or my stream to start at least. This is why you don't update your IDE in the middle of a project, but I never listened to that because it's never bit me in the butt until now. Eyes of global.email. Open that. Eyes global.mail equals that. And eyes of global.mail. Like, hypothetically, can I just do this? Let's see. Do we get to female big nose? Do we get there? Yeah, we do. So I don't need to do that. I really just need to take, like... like that. So I should just be able to take this and then do something like this. Oh, we're doing pretty all right, but our county is shutting back down again because we're like a corona hotspot. So fun. I don't gotta tell them anything. Here's global.email. It's an array. Do that. Don't know why I'm doing that. And then ears of global.mail. Why can't it wait till Sunday? Or, you know, for like more people to be here at the very least. Beats global.female equals an array. And then beats of... okay. Fine. Well, see, Peggy, see what you've done to Emiko now? Bottoms of global.mail. How many more of these do I have? Not too many. Okay, good. Oh, literally one more. Okay. No, she has a reason to wait. I mean, but she's the best at sticking around anyways. I don't know how you do it, Emiko. Listening to me this whole time. Okay, I think that should be good. It's like a TV show. Yeah, we got a cliffhanger ending, but it's a cliffhanger beginner. So does this work now? Okay. Fix that. Thanks, Alpha 23.1.1. Why does it say? Oh, there it is. .167. It's on different runtime. That's what it was. What was the beer button? Did I do B for beer? Yeah, okay. Good, I remember. I keep forgetting to, like, fix this stuff. Check gravity. 48.07. Drop everything you're doing to watch it. You're so kind. I don't know how you do it. Okay, do I want to convert that? Probably, because gravity units isn't how you measure stuff at all. That'll be fine. So, go to the beer, or what is it, our O ferment bucket. Go to our bucket. Step. If our yeast is added. Did I not do that? Oh, okay. Right, I did an event. Yeast current gravity equals, okay, that. it's a ferment bouquet. So what is it called? What do I have it? Is it like hover text? Okay, it must not be here. This is the perfect time to get some work done. Been playing a dating sim for the last week. Nice. What dating sim have you been playing? Don't say mine, don't say mine, don't say mine. Or do say mine. I don't know which one of those would be more embarrassing, TBH. What's up, Angel? Aw, yeah, play some Stardew. Check gravity. Set speech bubble with the string of 1 plus current gravity divided by, okay, we don't really need this layer. 1 plus current gravity divided by 48, so divide by 100. No, 1,000, because I want it to be 048. Is that gonna work? I don't know. What's up, Crystal, as well? Everyone's here. We're getting the gang back together. I'm sorry I did not stream this weekend. It's just Camp Buddy. I don't know what Camp Buddy is. Check gravity 1.0. Yeah, see, that's not what I want. Yeah, I worked all weekend pretty much last weekend. I did a full work day on Saturday and then a 70% work day that ended at like, I don't know, when did it end? Like 4 p.m. 3 p.m. was when I actually like got out of the office, even though I was still kind of on call. You had Monday off and I didn't stream. I've ruined it. Is waiting on Sunday. You're lucky I'm forgiving. I have worked, what am I up to now? 11 days straight. Streaming wasn't going to happen on Sunday. Not a chance. I need this 3-day weekend now. I'm like, I already told Peggy, I'm like, this is probably going to be a short stream just itself. Like, relatively, because I'm just like, I'm so brain dead right now. It's just gross. Okay, so I need to do I have like convert gravity units to I don't know, label. That does not need string. And then I want to pass in current gravity. Okay, so take that. Scripts. Wool. That's right, this is GameMaker beta. I've been working on Trist so much, I'm like, I don't even remember how to do this. Just kidding, you deserve to have some rest and relaxation. Oh! Okay, now that it's not just you, tell us what you need to tell us. Okay, well, I feel like even without telling you guys can probably guess on your own based on the fact that Peggy's urging me to tell you all, and you guys give me so much flack for it anyways. Convert gravity units to label. Not pregnant. Taking a gravity. Oh, okay. I'll take in a gravity. String equals. So how do I want to do this? So I want to do like bar rounded equals round gravity. That's not how it works. It's an underscore. It is a second cat. I told you guys could do it. Bonus points to Emiko. Love how that's in just all caps too. Yeah, Peggy held me at knife point and said if we didn't get a second cat, she would stab me. Stab. That's at least how I remember it. Peggy, is that how it went down? I don't really remember. Sorry, Peggy. Now she is gonna stab me. Probably just with a finger, though, because she's non-violent. Its name is Tommy. His name is Tommy. Don't cry. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. His name is Tommy. He's a black and white tuxedo cat, but with a lot of white. And he's a good cat. He's a good cat. I think how it actually went down is I could tell that Peggy was not going to let the idea of a second cat go at all because she kept checking up on this one cat in the shelter every day. Every day, even after we agreed no. And so it was like, okay, like, obviously she needs a second cat. That's fine, Angel, no worries. No, because we don't get Tommy until tomorrow. He was not neutered when we went to adopt him, so that's why well, you guys weren't here. But when Emiko was here, that's why I said, could it wait till Sunday? And apparently, no, it cannot wait till Sunday. This is what I was worried about. I've now told you about a second cat, and I cannot show you a second cat. So, that's that. But soon. So let's get string. So we'll do that. Then we'll do... Could have his... Oh. Right, I should have the photo. I don't want Microsoft Authenticator. Go away. This is cat. It keeps reflecting like GameMaker on it, but he's a good cat. Like one of those vlog channels that ends on a cliffhanger. Yeah, but that requires ending on a cliffhanger. So I want var zeros needed equals, so I want 3, which is the number of digits afterwards, minus string length of rounded. For var I equals 0, I is less than 0 is needed, I plus plus, rounded equals 0 plus rounded. And then return 1 dot plus rounded. That should be good. Yeah, he has a very handsome cat. He's also much of like he's a big chatterbox. Like not huge. He's not like Siamese talking, but like he meowed like what? Probably 10 times in like the 40 minutes we played with him at the shelter. So I mean, it was pretty common. It was more common than Skittle, who only meows when you yell at her to get off the table. Because that's just what she does best, I guess. I did not mean to make you sound selfish, but I think that's kind of how it went. I'm never against having a cat. It was just like, okay, like, we gotta get a cat. Yeah, I don't normally let the cats in when I stream, though, but we'll see how it goes when they need to be separated. Because cats, they're probably going to be angry buddies when they start hanging out together. And that'll be a little worrisome. I don't believe that this worked so well, but like, yay. Go down to 1047. I'd be very happy if you did that. Please. I said sorry. Go down to 1047 so I know you're working. You didn't yeah, thankfully none of you guys know me in real life, or else I would have been held at knife point and that would have been bad. I mean, I am sorry. I'm just, that is how it kind of went down. Like, I'm not sorry for telling the truth. I'm sorry that I said it bluntly. Go down. Why do I feel like you're not working? Skip that Tommy was not the cat. Oh, right. I got distracted. But yeah, so after more discussion, it was like, okay, yeah, like we can get a second cat as long as Peggy like ups her rent and whatnot. And so we like budgeted it out and we could afford a second cat. And then so we called about the first cat that Peggy was always checking up on, because this was a very precious looking cat. She was very, very pretty. Very pretty cat. And then they said that she was a very anger cat and she liked attacking the staff members as well as other cats. And so we figured, oh, Calaby's not a good cat to get. And so then immediately, like literally that morning, Peggy just kept looking for another cat and found Tommy. Oh, why are you not going? Oh, it went down. Yes, finally. Okay, it just took a long time. I feel you too, Angel. I am very, very tired as well. There's something in my bucket already. Oh no, my bucket. That's fine. Okay, so go dream about cute kittens. Yes. It's the only night you can stay up. No, I'm not mad about Tommy. I'm just tired, and you know I'm bad at English anyways. I'm just recounting the story, how it happened. Tommy is a good cat. I mean, you can also show support and go to sleep. I like the sound of that too. I could go for sleep. So, shoot, I don't even remember what I really wanted to do. Go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep with the stream on. It'll be perfect. You'll pad my average view length. It'll be perfect. I'm capable of making a story sound more pleasant when you tell it. Have you met me? The proposal story is awful for me. It's only pleasant because people laugh at me. Because I say what happened. Go to bed in half an hour. That sounds Sounds like a plan. Okay, so I jokingly lie about it by omitting all the details until people ask about it. So then I'll just say, so we talked about it and we decided to get a second cat. Sorry. I don't even know what to work on. Did sell like 10 pieces of jewelry. Nice. Worked a 10-hour. Ugh, that sounds gross. Yeah, 10-hour shift on your feet sounds a lot worse than what I do. When Tommy misbehaves, we will call him by his full name and just yell, Thomas! It's not even his full name, but we're going to do it anyways. You didn't tell me which one you should start with for the dating sims. What you should start with. Isn't only having 5 people like what you want? Like, that's my ideal. Heck, 5 people in a 2-hour window is way too much for me. Maybe I don't understand retail. That sounds ideal to me. So I could add carry somehow. Fast food, you always want at least 7? Why? Why do you want 7 in 2 hours? I have nothing to do all day, and I consider that ideal. I mean, in sales, like if you're on commission, yeah, that would suck. But I don't think Wendy's does commission. Maybe I'll just make like a little particle thing for fermenting. That sounds like it could be kind of fun. Did I already have stuff for that? It's probably in beer stuff. No, beer stuff. Brewing. Oh, RPG brewing. There we go. Particles. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's create a new. When there's no one around, you have to do the tasks that make no sense in retail. At least you want to make a different game for the different packs, but you were confused last time. Oh, I mean, you could also just pick one. Does that mean you didn't start, Emiko? You gotta start. Do do the knitting pack. That's gonna be the bomb diggity right there. Or I would do the city one. The city one would be the easiest, like nightlife or whatever it's called now. Drive through order taker, sandwich or fries, back window, grill, bagger, and server are positions that need filled or. Oh, there were only 5 employees. I thought you meant there were only 5 customers, and I was like, that is perfect. I see what you're saying now. Go wash all the mirrors even though no one touches them. Hey, I touch the mirrors. I like touching the mirrors. Oh, fermentation bubbles. 90. Okay, see, 90 or small. I was really confused. I was like, wow, what kind of Wendy's do you work at where you only got 5 people? But I wasn't going to say anything. But now life makes a lot of sense. Is that why our mirrors are so dirty? You know it. What's up, Jane? Yeah, 5 employees is really bad. I hope you trip and fall if you touch those mirrors. I do that too, no worries. You only have 14 people on staff. Oof. Oof. Emiko, you were supposed to start last week, though. So what is this? Alive, controller. I mean, I guess we gotta start by making a little sprite for you. Yeah, it has been a while, because work has been garbo. Beer, no, particles. Particles would be good. I mean, I guess I can just do, like, we'll create a sprite here that's just going to be, like, SPR fermentation bubble, probably. What are you? You're 8x8. Honestly, that's probably what I want. TBH. Honestly, it's gonna look a lot like the water drops. Maybe I should just like copy this. Can I do that and then just paste? I don't know. Copy, 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 copy. There we go. Paste. Delete. I don't understand this new one. You close tomorrow? Oof. Oof. Breakfast is better. Yeah, probably. Oh no! Your laptop! Holy cow. I can barely stay awake. Okay, so let's edit this image. And just make that white. Well, it's gonna be darker than that. Make it like that, I think, because I want this to be pure white. Right? But I'm gonna try and do something special. How do you do opacity in this? I thought there was a thing. Is it in the color picker? Yeah. Okay. Let's do 87? Does that work? I don't know. I'm gonna do the inside of the bubble minus the shine. I'm gonna try doing it kind of like that so that it might have a little bit more depth. How far is this game you're making? What's up? Ooh, Blay. Ooh, Blay. That's fun. I like that. Not very far. I've been working on it once or twice a week for, I don't know, the last, jeez, how long's it been? 3 months or so? I should maybe like be numbering these streams. Maybe 2 months. It's not very. I'll load it up real soon. Go to our fermentation bubbles. You're going to be a Sprite, a beer, nope, a particle. Let's try that again. There we go. Right now, I'm trying to add little bubbles so that you can tell when you've got yeast in a fermentation bucket, which is not realistic in the slight. Well, it would be if you had an airlock. We should always have an airlock. In my game, I do not care about airlocks, so I'm just going to have little bubbles coming up. And yeah, we'll see. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Let's duplicate this, and you're going to be the fermentation bubble controller. Who cares about short names? We don't have time for these right here. Going to be a fermentation bubble. Number of particles. Probably only want like 5, I think. Can create new particles, it's true. Yep, sure. And if the rotation. So this one I want to do. Thanks for the follow. I gotta get rid of that stupid zombie. Oh, I can do it now because I'm signed in with Twitch on Streamlabs instead of Mixer. Thanks for the follow, Uble. Watching, should do less test. Oh yeah. Well, of course you can't have coronavirus if you don't test for it. Okay, so I don't care about rotation. So I just want to do, if you can do that. Honestly, I don't even want to do this in the step. I can just do this. In the alarm. Do you have a parent? No. I didn't give you a parent. Go to common dreads. I don't need to hear the singles right now. So we'll just go. So my idea, I haven't made like a decent particle system. Everyone should have a parent. I think so, yeah. I haven't made a. Oh wait, you're a particle control. Particle controller might have it. Boop, boop. Do you have it? Boop. Parent. Hey. So I can do. You're gonna go on the bucket. So I can do. Did I delete it on water? Deleted it on waters. Okay. Leave it there. So we don't care about rotation. I can convert this all to an alarm, probably. Gonna create 5 fermentation bubbles. Go and try and recreate your room in Blender. Oh, that sounds super cool. What's up, Miami? I saw you streaming earlier today. Maybe turned into a game in Unity? Oh, that's super cool. I think... Who was it? It was a streamer I turned on a while ago. I only watched one, but she was doing something similar. She was mapping out her house and I think making a horror game in it, and it was pretty cool. You watch video of a day in the life of a software engineer at Twitter and the workers get free food because Twitter's a big company. Yeah. Big companies, it's a worthwhile expense to give you free food because it's a way to try and say, hey, we care about you enough that we never want you to leave campus. If you want children, do you need to buy the final house upgrade twice since it... Oh, if you want 2 children. I don't remember. I don't think so. I think you just need to get it once, but they're... Shoot, I don't remember that in the slightest. Actually, let's just go here. So you can keep that step. We'll just delete that. So we'll just do the override. So here we'll do... So we don't care about this too much. So we're just going to do if parent dot yeast added. Then we'll just var num particles equals random to like random range from 1 to 5. Kids have to grow up and you have to go to bed before 10 p.m. after they don't sleep in the crib anymore. Oof. Thanks for that, host. I'm sorry you had mic issues. That's no fun. Okay, what is create particles? So it just goes through that. Okay. I mean, we'll have to see if it works. So it looks like I want to change this and just do number of particles. And then we'll do an alarm set. I'm dying. I am a software engineer. Gonna use RenPy. RenPy is always a safe bet. Thanks. Alarm set 0. And then we'll do like 5 seconds. That'll be fine, I think. Ooh, sorry. Room speed times 5. Do you have 2 of every farm animal? That's sick. Thanks for all the bless me's. Why is one of your Pro controllers greasy? I don't know. Thanks. I got back into an Enter Shikari kick earlier today. Did you like not get all the grease off your hands from the fries? Did Skittle lick it? So let's just do that. 5 seconds. If you're added, set your number of particles there. Create a particle. Okay. That'll be fine, I think. So for the fermentation bubble, for your step, what's your step? That's, yeah, it's just that. So inherit that. We're gonna do, switched it out for the ones charging. I don't know. I hardly touch your Pro controllers. I blame Bug. She probably licked it. What is my fave YouTuber? That is a difficult question because I like a lot of different like genres on YouTube, and I don't think it's fair to compare like Brad Mondo, the hairstylist, to Sean JS, the guy who does GameMaker. I don't think that's fair to do. Oh, it's Peggy. Right, it's Peggy. So I want you to just kind of float up. So what do I have? Is it if alive? Yeah. If alive, then just do your y minus equals 3. Your x, let's see, what's that? What did I do for create particle anyways? Like, what does this do? So we get the controller. Index to use equals that. This is just gonna... Everyone's opening. Oh no, sorry, Angel was closing. She said she prefers opening. Watching the same people for years and years and their content's getting boring. I mean, you gotta give me a genre to go off of. I don't know if I'll be able to help you, but I need to know what kind of stuff to watch. How do you fish in Stardew? Oh god. You cry until it works. Yeah, I'm like, okay, create particle just isn't gonna work for me. I can't just use that. That is a stupid. It works for the water particles, but I'm like, I don't know why I called it create particle, because that is not what I want to use. So I want to go here, then in the alarm. Anatomy and physiology, yeah, I can't help you there. 4 y equals 0, y is less than number of particles, I plus plus. Your potatoes? I guess I just want to do like instance create depth. Use my x plus I random range of like negative 10 to 10. I don't know. Use my y plus I random range of negative 10 to 10. Why not? Digimorph is better. 0 depth, I guess, for right now. And we'll create a fermentation bubble. So we'll do that. We'll go here, and then so your step's just gonna have you going up. I could have it give you we'll just do like a speed equals vertical speed equals random range from like, I don't know, 3 to 5 minus equals your vertical speeds. This way the bubbles will all rise slightly differently. You're obsessed with Jack playing Last of Us Part 2. Nice. If your starting y equals y, I think I can do that. If I do, we'll see. If starting y minus y is greater than 25, then we'll do alive equals false, and then is your inherited? Oh, no, I don't want to look up what event inherited does. I want to see it. Controller dot to destroy, so it'll put you in there, and then I think that'll be fine. We're gonna override this with if alive. Last of Us 2 is a new game that came out. I don't know much about it, TBH. I'm a failure of a game person. We're going to do draw sprite ext, and we'll do our own sprite index, our subimage of 0, x, y, 1, 1, 0 rotation. Color we're gonna do with create color. Don't I have determine color from MCU? Something involving IBM, right? Don't I have some, like, what gets me the color of the beer? Get SRM color. Okay, go back. And so you should, you know your controller. So actually in here, so we'll do my color equals controller dot. Oh, that's not gonna work because you don't know your controller right at the start. Ugh! I'm not gonna worry about that for right now. Just draw. Let's do C white. Makes you wonder what the whole heckin' point of that was. But so now let's go to our fermentation bucket, and every bucket will get a bubbles controller equals instance create dot x y plus 10 0, and then a fermentation bubble controller. Is that gonna work? I have no heckin' idea. I don't know anymore. I don't know anything. I don't know how stuff is gonna work. Let's see what we got. Well, we got long build time, so that's fun. I always appreciate when GameMaker decides to do this. Heck! Did I really do that? Did I really do that? Okay, well that didn't work. I got it right on Twitch. Thought I copied it. Apparently not. Thanks for that. Parent.x. So I just need to do bubbles controller dot parent equals self. Why are you red? Hey buddy, Noel, help me out here. Got our German wheat, beechwood smoked malt, and Mount Hood. I'm gonna go and make a beer in case Uble is here and still looking around. Because I'll do, so we're kind of doing like a physics-based RPG type thing. So you can drag and drop stuff around And essentially we're just going to try and make a beer, which of course our first step is throwing our pot on the stove and heating it up. We can get our hops, which fall over there, cool, and our beechwood smoked malt. We'll take our hops and just kind of chuck them right there. Perfect. How you doing? 125. We're working our way up there. Why do you have deja vu? What's happening? Okay. Ugh. Pour that in. Oh, no, I hit R. I hit R. It's too dangerous to be kept alive. I forgot to get my ingredients. Heck. Let's try again. Need to get rid of R. Or at least move it to a less accessible one. So what I got? Pale Ale and Galena. Okay, turn that back on. Thought you relived. Oh, yeah. I would not want to do that. Okay. I mean, it doesn't... It should matter, but it kind of doesn't matter. Oh, I'm actually at the right temperature. Okay, that's too hot. So let's get our mash going. I need to make that, like, lower, slower when you're mashing, because, like, the stove should still have heat in it and be maintaining it. Okay, so let's just do that. That'll be good enough. We'll get that. It's gonna be like a perfect 60-minute mash. Oh my god, we hit 60-minute mash. We're boiling now. Okay, we'll throw in all our hops because we like hops. We don't like hops. I lied. I'm sorry, everyone. Okay, and then we'll let this get up to like, we'll just boil it for a bit. Maybe now we'll go and add some more hops. I don't know what our recipe calls for, but now we have 44. 51 IBUs and still increasing, so that's sick. Probably want to aim for like an hour and a half of boil and all that. We didn't need to weigh anything. Get out of here. Bowl. No one needs you. Ugh. Okay. We're hitting up to like 45, 46. This is probably pretty good. So I wonder how much... We'll stop at 48 because it's my favorite number. Oops, I hit the wrong thing. Okay, do that. So that dropped down. Sick. And then we'll siphon. Oh, what a good color of beer. What a perfect siphon. Good work, everyone. Just knock over the beer onto the counter, but it's fine because we're getting all of our beer. Can't see what that says. It's fine. Survive. It's also like way too hot to put yeast into. That's fine. How'd we do? 5.20. Okay, not bad, not bad. We could have boiled it for a bit longer. We'll go back, and then it should be in this one now. Let's check our gravity. Yep. It says 4.7. Didn't we hit 4.8? I don't know. Thought we did. Wasn't it 4.804? Whatever. Like, yeah, that one's at 1. Okay, well, we'll throw in our Ringwood Ale. I don't know how that's going to do. So that's pretty much what our game is right now. We just got like this physics-based beer creation thing. Why are you addicted to Stardew? Because it's an immaculately made game for getting addicted to. TBH. It's a great game. What was I testing? Oh. Why did a clump of my hair just come out? That seems worrisome. Sick. I think it did. Didn't it? I don't even remember what it... Oh, Ringwood. Oh, yeah, right. Also glad it's not July 1st again. Yeah, gotta get Tommy to Marrow. Okay, so this should be going. Now it's at 048. That's weird. Oh, I wonder if I set it to 1.047 or something. That's doing the thing. So the fermentation thing is not working in the slightest. And I realize, I think, that I know why. Oh no, I did set the alarm. let's just do... We'll do our good style of debugging because I'm good at this. Do our show debug message of alarm on fermentation. And then show debug message yeast added. Tablets at 2%. Oh no! Bye, Jane. Good luck. Good luck. You should take a day off, like fully. You could be stressed out. It can cause you to lose hair. No, this time it was. I mean, yes, maybe, but also probably not. Just because the nature of my hair. Ooh, Oktoberfest. It gets knotted really easily, and so I think I just pulled out a knot. Honestly. Don't get in trouble. We'll hit the beer button. And we'll add our yeast. So this should... Okay, I know what the problem is now. I never set an alarm here, did I? Show parent. Yeah, that's the problem. Bye, we love you too. Okay, let's try all this time. Hit the beer button. Add our yeast. I saw alarm on fermentation. Why is that not going again? You hit the alarm. And it should reset it. Where are my room settings? Room physics? Shouldn't it be in here? Interesting. So it did the alarm there after 5 seconds. Soda's so bubbly. That's the dream. All right, have a good night, Angel. Thanks for stopping by. Create a beer. I don't know what the problem is, I think. Persistent. And I should check here that room. And room. I could probably change this that the alarm only goes off when our current room is right. What is it? Brewing? Room brewing? No, I don't want room brewing. What is it? Room house? Yeah. So, yeah. I should only be checking that. You got a KO and Clam Blitz? Nice. Fist bump. Yeah, it is past 7. Saison Brett. Oh, I forgot to hit the beer button. Okay, check the gravity. Add our yeast. We'll add our Saison Brett. Oh, nice. Unable to find any instance. Pulls array push. Controller dot to destroy. Okay. Oops, not that. I want, oh no, it should be here. Fermentation bubbles controller. Instance create depth. Inst dot controller equals self. That should be fine. That's what I forgot. I should have done that. But this, I just want it to create 3 bubbles at a time. like 3 to 5 bubbles at a time, and we'll be good. Surprising it was like already going for that though. Like right when it started. Check gravity. Hit the beer button. Check gravity. Okay, there it is. Oop. Let's put that in. Hey, I saw the bubbles go. They went way too fast, but I saw them go. How about that? Index out of range? Why? Oh, particle controller. To destroy is none. Just want me to do that? Oh, that is for obsolete. Okay. So yeah, that's probably why. Oh. Var index to destroy sub I. Okay, what gets added to destroy? Limited bubbles. Should probably get going, even if I don't work on the dating sim tonight. You really want to write? All right, that's fine. Go have fun writing. 2D story, indeed. So we're pushing your index. Oh, but stupid. So when you create them, then do particles sub I particles sub I equals inst and do inst dot index equals I think is what I want. I've like already forgotten how to work with this. Create the beer. We'll get the beer button. We'll say hi to the cats for sure. Saison Brett. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Okay, bubbles are going. We are, in fact, getting some bubbles. Well, we were. Now we're not. What? Okay, well, obviously, speed of these is way too fast. So this should probably just be like random range from like, honestly, maybe longer than that, like 0.5 to 1. Why don't I see it calling the alarm? Add Munich logger. Oh, did I delete them? I deleted the log, apparently. Case 1 went just fine. Here's 1. Hello? Hello? Oh yeah, like the car alarm today just never stops. Oh, there it went. Just feels like it took a hot minute. Like, do I not know what 5 seconds is? Maybe it's every 10 seconds. Maybe my room speed is like double my game speed. Is that a thing that can happen? Just gotta keep watching for bubbles. Although I'm not seeing them again. Bubbles! Hello? Yeah, like they're stopped now. That's weird. Should just every time set the alarm again. So why is it not? High random range. There we go. Noelle, I need your ingredients, please. Create the beer. Add the Kolsch. Bubbles went. That's good. Step. Oh, am I dumb? Wow, I'm dumb. No wonder my water stopped. Oh my goodness. No wonder my water stopped when I was doing it. If len equals array length to destroy. No wonder. No wonder. I was always wondering why my water stopped pouring. It's because it kept destroying them immediately when making them. How did I not see this? If len is greater than 0. Just because I don't want to... I don't think it really matters. To destroy. Does this need to... like, the step should be done. But this can probably not be done as often. This one we can maybe do an alarm on and then do 0 and just do it like even every 5 frames would be like something. It wouldn't be as resourceful and I think it should be fine. Okay. This should be a lot better. So yeah, the problem was, so if you would make like 3, then once those 3 ended, it would try and kill like 0, 1, and 2. Those are the indexes you got. And so then if it tried to ever make one with less than that, like 2, then it would immediately be like, oh, well, 0, 1 are already trying to be destroyed. But then if it went to 4, then it'd be like, okay, you're making 0, 1, 2, and 3. And the 0, 1, and 2 would get destroyed, and so 3 would go up. And so that's why we saw one with like 1 bubble. And then once you finally hit a 5, then you just stop getting bubbles altogether. So this should be a lot better. Oh yeah. That's bubblicious. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So our ferment bucket. Bucket. Not transfer. What do I call it when I hit the back button? Oh, I'm just doing this. Okay, so then I'll do bucket dot bubbles controller dot srm equals o bucket dot wart dot srm. That will be fine, I think. So then I'll just go to my O. Ferment bubbles controller. You should have an SRM equals. I think I should just be able to set that to no one, because in the alarm, it should only do this when it has yeast added. So to have yeast added requires having beer added. So I think I can do inst dot, what do I call it, my color equals srm get color, yes, get srm color from my srm. And then so we'll go to our this. You're gonna have my color equals, we'll just set it to C white. And then instead of that, we can do my color. I think that'll get us the color we want. Oh, we both got mohawks, Noel. Oops, I hit the beer button too early. It shouldn't matter. They should be persistent. Close that. Okay, good, did work. Add our Czech Pilsner. And then these should be slightly yellowish bubbles, which they do look to be. I feel like they're not really getting the what am I trying to say? They're not. Can't even think of what I'm trying to say. I got no idea. So I think I also want to make them kind of fade out. So we'll do my alpha equals 1. And then in your step, we're going to do my alpha equals, I want to do the minimum of either 1. So if it's more than 1, we don't want more. Or I want to do, like, if I can, I want to do like the last 10 like pixels. So I think I want to do so that would be, so I'm doing when it's greater than 25, so I'd want to do like from 15 and base on it. So I just want to do like 15. Shoot, why can't I think about this? So it's just starting Y, and as we decrease, we're going up. And so when you're starting Y minus your Y is greater than 15. So if you want 50, just say like 12, star minus 12. I cannot think right now. I literally cannot think. This should be like a really easy calculation and I can't do it. So if you're at your starting y, then you're starting y minus y. Yeah, I think so. Your starting y minus y would be 0. So I think I can just do starting y. Let's just do this, and we'll do var y diff equals starting y minus y. Then we don't need to recalculate this. Y diff, so let's do y diff is greater than, so if it's greater than 15, then we want to do, let's do like max distance equals 25. Greater than max distance minus 10. That's fine. If it's greater than that, then we want to do max distance minus y diff, which is going to increase. So in that case, we want to do 1 minus I don't need this. What am I doing? I don't need that. So we're either going to do 1 or we're going to do 1 minus. What's up? Doing all right. So max distance would be 25 and your y difference would slowly, so your starting y would be down here. It would be like 100 minus 75 would be 25. So that's good. So the y difference is getting bigger towards 25. No. So if you're heading up and you have 10 or 15, we'll do 10. So we'll do, if you're at 16, you're one step further. So that would be 9, which is what I want. So I think I want to do this. Divide by 10. Because if that's 11, then it'll be 1.1. I think. Hit the beer button. Add our yeast, Belgian wheat. So it should be going now, and hopefully they'll fade out. Perfect. That's what I want to see. Okay. I was adding these bubbles to our fermentation bucket, so that you can tell when you've got beer fermenting. And I think it came out all right. Where is the X though? I feel like all the bubbles are offset to the right. Some of them are off to the left, but they feel like few and far between. Oh, those ones were all slow. Holy cow. More slow bubbles? Yeah. Oof. Very slow bubbles. Where'd my bubbles go? Oh, there, it's just really slow. Oh my goodness. Slow bubbles. Why do the bubbles seem like they're just getting slower? Surely I'd get some faster bubbles, right? That might be too slow then. Yeah. Messed up your sleep schedule? Oh, that's no fun. Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty exhausted too, so I mean, you can chill here for a while, but we'll see how long a while lasts, honestly. Ugh. Add some yeast. Our German yeasts. That's way too fast. That is way too fast. Are they gonna like slow down? Like, is that what was happening? Were they getting slower as time went on? I don't see any reason why they would. But these bubbles seem far more active than the last one. They seem far faster than 2 times the speed. But what do I know? What do I know? I'll just split it a little bit. Do 0.75, so we'll have a smaller range of speeds for the bubbles, but hopefully the bubbles will do just fine. Is it just Mohawk Day, Noel? Why are we all wearing mohawks all the gosh darn time? Had our Czech Pilsner. So it was 148. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. This seems reasonable. These bubbles seem alright. Maybe not optimal. Although, is it just me or are they all like raising at the same speed? I don't know. Maybe not. Eh. That'll be fine. Speed. I don't know. Should be fine. Where'd my music go? Oh, it's just the ending of that song. There we go. Let's go on to... I'm going to skip a bit. I'm going to go to the mine sweep. Okay, so I got like little bubbles going if you start fermenting something. One of these days I need to go through and like actually add the beer types. I'm like, maybe that's what I should do, honestly. Like, do the boring data, or at least start on the boring data processing stuff. Because, I mean, it's not really going to get any better. I'm never going to want to do it more. So I'm going to pull out my beer book, which I haven't pulled out in quite a while. There should just be beer types somewhere in here. And then I want to figure out how I want to do it. It's like barley ales. Let's see what we got. Yeah, so here it is. Kolsch grain bill in the NHC second round recipes. So it says like, I guess I could add like median as well. Although, what does this mean? This chart shows what proportion of the grain bill is used by various grains in 11 Kolsch recipes. Okay, so it's saying most of the time they used... Okay, so according to this chart, which I wish I could like put up on the screen or whatnot, but I can just be like, this is the chart I'm looking at. Good luck. Have fun with that one. So according to this chart, there's a couple metrics. So it's what grain is being used, what the range of using it is, the median range using it, and then how often. So what would this say? So if you were to take can probably leave other off. So I mean, like, if I just thought this through, so we would just have like Kolsch, and then it would have 2-row, and the 2-row range looks to be like 33, maybe 32, to all the way upwards of like 87% of the grain bill, with the medium range being at 72. And then its incidence I could just put at 3 because it has 3 beers next to it, and that would say most commonly use that. The problem is it doesn't often say what things go with it. But I guess what I could do is I could pick something within these ranges, at least a little bit. So if I went through, oh, it does, it says 32 to 86, so it literally tells me the start and end. Average proportion used across all recipes. So it's, I guess, oh my goodness, this is not going to be as easy as I used. No character malt used were 3 of them, 1 character malt used, 6 of them, 3 with crystal only, 2 with Munich only, 1 with a specialty biscuit. 2 of them had 2 malts used, which was crystal and Munich. You can't even like see what I'm typing. Go me. I mean, I don't know. I can continue this and just at least get the data in there. Pilsner from 56 to 91 with a median of 75 and an incidence of 1. Then wheat from 3 to 22% with an average of 14 and an incidence of 3. So it's saying like I need to figure out like the difference between the base malts, but I guess that's you're gonna pick a base malt based on like the biggest ones, really. Then I also want like the characteristics. Because I didn't even see that. It's like I'd almost want to like split it up into two and just be like, been kind of stuck on something you're working on, feel like you've lost all the motivation. I feel you. How do you guys remotivate yourselves when you feel burnt out? Yeah, time off. Really, that's the big deal, I think. Because yeah, like for me, I've found like I'll get tired of something, but yeah, eventually I will want to come back. Because I could do something like this where I list out the ingredients like that, because like this is saying it should be like from 1.044 to 1.049, should have a bitterness of 20 to 30. BUGU, bitterness units to gravity units. Okay, I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, it's saying that's fine. I don't care about the ratio. Hop flavor, low, none. Aroma, 3.5 to 7 SRM. What is that? Apparent extract. I don't know what that is. I guess that's like final gravity or so. I don't know, I'm gonna skip that because I don't know what it is, but it wants like 80 to 85% attenuation, which would give it 4.4 to 5% alcohol. Low esters, no diacetyl, and then its flavor profile is dry, medium bitterness. Like, you've been thinking about making cookies? Yeah, make cookies. Sounds cool. Yeah, like I've got no idea how I'm going to program this. This is just gonna be, I mean, okay, so like this is easy. Original gravity should be easy. Bitterness is easy. We have those literally as numbers. Having low hop flavor and aroma is more difficult. So maybe I don't worry about that. Maybe I don't worry about that. But 3.5 to 7 SRM is fine. Apparent attenuation should be fine. It's pretty much how much you want the yeast to eat up. So that you have a drier beer, like that would give you pretty dry. And then from that, it would give you alcohol 4.4 to 5, which would give you dry. So what is esters and diacetyl? I'm not going to worry about, I think. Then maybe I don't really care about the flavor profiles, because as long as you're using the right stuff, it should come out kind of the same. So maybe I'll just leave it like that. So we'd have a Kolsch would be a 1.044 to 1.049 gravity with 20 to 30 bitterness units. That's the SRM, the apparent attenuation, which might not even really be required. Well, I guess there is a difference between like would be a different, because you could hit 4.4 and 5 with an apparent attenuation of lower if your gravity's higher, so yeah, might be pretty good. But like, I don't know what I'm gonna do about these ingredients, to be honest. Goes to crystal. See, like, it doesn't even tell me like what crystal. I mean, I guess like it's a small crystal. It's a, or not a big one, because your SRM can't go that high. It's got 2 beers. Munich is from 7 to 22 with 13 average at 2. Carapils from 3 to 11 at 7 with 2. And then, see, but then there's like other, which like I can't do anything with that. I think it said the other was biscuit. And then some of them just say specialty. Ugh. Hops used. Oh, so what is this? Oh, it's the alt grain bills. So yeah, like how many of them used what hops as well? Holy cow. Yeah, no, I really need to figure this out probably at another time. I've got no idea how I'm gonna do that. It's gonna be quite a bit of a mess, I think, so I don't know. I'm probably gonna leave this stream here. It is just I'm too tired to really focus, and I need to figure out what in the heck I'm gonna do with all this information. Somehow I need to work this into creating a grain bill from this. So maybe I should just see if I can find like other stuff to do, like other ways to do it. Though this would give you something to go through. You just need to figure out like what the big ones are. The problem is like I need to differentiate between like 2-row and Pilsner as the base malts, this is saying. I mean, I guess I could just manually say like these are base malts, and you have a 75% chance to choose 2-row and a 25% chance to use Pilsner. And then I could go through and then, because this tells me how many used 1 or 2, so I could even use that and be like the 30% chance of choosing 2, and then maybe choose. It's gonna be a mess, yeah. I'm glad you could make it, even if only for a short bit. It was great to have you here. I'll figure this out somehow. Have a good night.